Hello everyone, welcome to KhanPedia. Today video I will try to explain how we can file franchise tax step by step. As you know that if you have LLC from USA or Texas, you need to file franchise tax or sell tax every year. And in this video I will try to explain how we can file franchise tax step by step online. Simply log in, just open your this website. I will give a link in the description and simply click on e-system login. After click on eSystem login, simply provide your username, user ID and password and click on login. After click on login, you will have this interface. For example, if you want to file a sales tax, simply watch my last video. But now, right now, we need to file a franchise tax. In the last video, I tried to file a sales tax. So you can watch my video. Last video, I will give link in the description. But in this video, I will try to focus on how to file franchise tax. Simply click on file and pay. After click on file and pay, there are some update from last year. So simply you have to click on file a public ownership information report. Click on this and click on continue. After click on continue, as you can see, report type annual, report year 2025 and is due when it will be due. The last date is 15 May 2025. So I should pay right now. I will click on this and I will click on continue. And then click on this is my information, company information. You can check your information and simply click on continue. And as you can see, this is my all information. So simply I will select this and I will click on continue. As you can see, my franchise text is almost done, and simply you can click on submit report. After click on submit report, simply you can print this file or you can save in your system, and then later if someone asks you, you can show this and simply is done. As you can see, it's quite simple to file your franchise tax in few steps. So if you want to file your franchise tax, so simply go to this website and try to finish your franchise tax step by step. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.